Welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. Today we are looking at Neapolitan pasta. This is a Japanese version of the dish. You might notice that we've got a bunch of tomato sauce in front of us. That'll be the base of our dish. Alright, let's dive in. Start off by chopping up your little frankfurts into long slices. Beautiful. Now halve a nice big white onion and then chop it into slices. Slicety slice. Now you're going to halve 2 garlic cloves and then you're just going to squish them. Nice and easy. Now I can hear you white people in the back of the room. I'm going to put the whole bulb in. Don't do it. It won't work. Trust me on that one. It's now time to slice up our green capsicums. So take out the seeds and thinly slice. Green capsicums are quite small here in Japan, so maybe you only need 2 rather than 5. Now it's time for the star of our dish. Far too much tomato sauce. I know it looks gross, it kind of tastes gross at this stage, so don't eat it. Now just mirin and mentsuyu, or Japanese noodle soup base. Give it a mixity mix and prep done. So now let's move over to the flame. Heat up some water in your nice big pasta pot. Add in a regrettable amount of salt. Now while that's bubbling away, it's time to make our sauce. So in a hot pan, just chuck in your garlic and some olive oil. And we're just going to fry those boys off until fragrant. Bubbly bubble. And in go our sausages. Let's get them nice and crispy, shall we? Give them a mixity mix. Lovely. Now our water's boiled, so chuck in your pasta. Follow the packet's instructions because packet is God. And get everybody nice and covered. Alrighty, back to our sauce. So now that our sausages are nice and crisp, we're going to add in our onions. Get everybody a stir, everybody nice and friendly. Maybe a tossity toss. Excellent. Now we're going to pour in our sauce. That is mostly tomato sauce. Get everybody in there, mix it around. Some pasta water, because you want your sauce to stick to your pasta. Another quick stir. Now that our pasta's almost done, we're just going to parboil our green capsicums for about 30 seconds and then strain everybody out. Crispy capsicums. Back to our sauce. And now we're just going to add everybody back in. Give everybody a mixity mix to get covered. Stunning. It's very important that you use cooking chopsticks at this stage. Now it's time to plate up. Do your absolute darndest to make some beautiful pasta nests. Realize that you're using ice tongs and maybe that's not the best idea. But you know what? You just don't know if you don't try. So do your best. Excellent. Now pile on as many toppings as you like to make it ready for Instagram. Link in the description for that one. Tidy it up. You dirty boy, you. Alright, looking good. Today's drink of choice is a wine sour. This just tastes like you've put a bunch of sugar into wine, but never mind, that's fine. I think you're better off with just regular wine at this point. Oh well. Now I think it's time for a taste test. I am going to be super real with you. I was not excited about this dish at all. I thought tomato sauce in pasta sounds like the worst idea. Why would you do that? But oh my god, this actually tastes amazing. It tastes like you actually made a sauce from scratch. Maybe just don't show Nonna. She probably would freak out. As much as it doesn't sound very good. I don't know, if you just went to a barbecue and you've got way too much tomato sauce in your hands, I really hope that you try this weird Japanese pasta out. I think you'll become a convert like me. For any Italians in the audience, 1, I'm sorry, and 2, you should still try this out. And to the rest of you, I really hope that you have a go. Alright, I think it's time that he shared this with me. Till next time, guys.